Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about Jet Streams, and Himalayan Cryosphere. This is an important topic in our UGC NET Examination Geography paper 2. If you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the class. In this class, we will cover Jet Streams as well as Himalayan Cryosphere and exam essentials like MCQ test, and PYQ based patterns. First of all, Jet Streams. What are jet streams? Definition: narrow, fast-flowing air currents in the upper troposphere, lower stratosphere, flowing west to east along quasi-horizontal axis with speeds exceeding 120 km per hour, core speeds 300 to 500 km per hour. Formation and energy of jet streams. They are formed due to strong temperature gradient between tropical, polar, and polar air masses. Between tropical and polar air masses. There is a strong temperature gradient, and that's why the jet streams are formed. They are located near the troposphere's boundary between troposphere and stratosphere, driven by pressure gradient force, Coriolis effect, and friction. Earth's rotation causes the deflection, meanders as Rossby planetary waves. Thermal wind concept: wind shear increases with horizontal temperature contrast. Altitude of jet stream 8 to 15 km tropopause, and core speed more than 120 km per hour up to 500 km per hour with 100 to 400 km direction west to east prevailing. Thickness 2 to 3 km vertical, and discovery WW World War II pilots 1940s and Carl Gustav Rossby. That's why it is also known as Rossby waves. Next, the types of jet streams. Subtropical jet streams STJ, latitude 25 degree to 35 degree north and south pole, altitude from 10 km to 16 km, and speed 135 to 200 km per hour, direction westerly. They are permanent and related to Hadley cells, crucial for northeast winter monsoon over India, splits Himalayas. Polar front jet streams PFJ, latitude 50 degree to 60 degree north and south hemisphere, altitude 8 to 10 km, speed up to 300 km per hour, direction westerly. Seasonal controls mid-latitude cyclones and western disturbances affecting northwest India in winter. Tropical Somali jet stream, latitude 5 degree to 15 degree north, altitude 1 to 1.5 km, speed 25 to 30 meter per second, direction west easterly, low level. Low level Somali jet drives southwest monsoon onset, intensifies June-August, feeds moisture to India. African easterly jet AEJ, latitude 15 degree north, altitude 3 to 4 km, speed 25 meter per second, direction easterly. They are formed due to strong thermal gradient over North Africa linked to monsoon teleconnections. Jet streams and Indian monsoon: winter October and May, summer June to September, October to May and June to September. This is a duration of winter and summer season in Indian monsoon. STJ flows south of Himalayas 25 degree north, splits into northern and southern branches at Himalayas. Southern branch cyclonic disturbances over northwest India, western disturbance traveling along STJ, winter rain in Punjab, Haryana. High pressure over Tibet reinforces westerly jet, and jet stream blocks southwest monsoon from advancing northward. Similarly, summer jet stream thermal lower from over northwest India and Pakistan. STJ shifts north of Himalayas to 35 degree north to 40 degree north. Withdrawal of westerly jet, monsoon onset June 1 over Kerala. Easterly jet stream AEJ develops 14 degree north to north at 9 km altitude. Tibetan high anticyclone at 200 HPA drives easterly outflow, and Somali low level jet at 350 HPA hour per transference moisture to India. Rossby waves and jet stream dynamics. Rossby planetary waves, large-scale meanders of the jet stream caused by Coriolis force gradient with latitude, discovered by Carl Gustav Rossby in 1939. Index cycle: oscillation between zonal high index and meridional low index jet stream patterns, high index strong westerlies, few waves, low index weak flow, deep waves, and blocking. Zonal flow: high index jet flows nearly parallel to latitude cycles, rapid west-east movement of weather systems, shorter wavelengths common in summer. Meridional flow: low index jet dips far north and south. Deep Rossby waves amplify cold air outbreaks into tropics. Blocking highs develop associated with extreme events. Blocking phenomenon: quasi-stationary high pressure shield blocks normal westerly flow associated with prolonged heat waves, droughts, cold waves in India and Asia. Okay, then Himalayan Cryosphere. Okay, Himalayan Cryosphere, the components: mountain glaciers, 9,575 glaciers in Indian Himalaya region. Total area 37,000 kilometers square. Store 12,000 kilometer cube of ice. Gangoti 30 kilometer long, longest in Indian Himalaya. Key glacier: Gangoti, Jemu, Siachen, Barasingri. Seasonal snow cover 4 million kilometers square. Peak snow cover, largest non-polar seasonal snow cover, critical research source for rivers, dominated by westerly disturbances in winter, inter-annual variability plus minus 20%. Okay, permafrost 1 million kilometers square, estimated is extent, permanently frozen ground more than 2 years, found above 4,500 meter in Himalaya, continuous versus discontinuous permafrost, degradation releases stored carbon plus increases mass movements. Then pro-glacial lakes, more than 5,000 lakes in Hindu Kush Himalaya, formed by glacial melt at terminus, number increasing with warming. Globe glacial lake outburst, flood from Imja, Trontomi, South Lohnak. Satellite monitoring essential. Okay, these are some components of Himalayan Cryosphere. Okay, major glaciers of the Indian Himalaya: Gangoti, Uttarakhand, 30.2, Bhagirathi Ganga, rotating 22 meter per hour, UNESCO heritage site. Siachen, Ladakh, 76, Sayuk, Indus, largest glacial outside polar regions. Jemu, Sikkim, 26, Tista, largest in eastern Himalaya. Barasingri, Himachal Pradesh, 25, Senat, largest in Himachal Pradesh. Kolahoi, Jammu and Kashmir, 11, Jhelum, only glacier in Kashmir Valley. Milam, Uttarakhand, 19, Gori Ganga Kali, important source of Kali River. Baifu, Gilgit and Baltistan, POK, Pak occupied Kashmir, 67. Sigar Indus, third longest non-polar glacier. South Lunak, Sikkim, 8, Tista, GLOF risks expanding pro-glacial lake. Okay, glacial mass balance and dynamics. Mass balance, accumulation minus ablation. Positive, glacial growth, negative, glacial retreats. Equilibrium line altitude, ELA is equal to where accumulation equals ablation. Okay, accumulation zone above ELA, that means equilibrium line altitude. Snow input is more than meltation. Compacted firn converts to glacial ice over years. Average depth of ice 50 to 200 meter. Ablation zone below equilibrium line altitude. Altitude is more than snowfall. Surface lowering by 1 to 5 meter per hour. Water equivalent and driven by temperature and solar radiation. Glacial retreat rate. Gangoti retreating 22 meter per year. Rate accelerated 3x since 1971. Entire glaciers 0-0.4 meter per year average. Okay, according to ICI MOD 2023 report. Karakoram anomaly, unlike most glaciers, Himalayan Karakoram range glacier, Karakoram glacier snow stable advancing trend due to increased winter westerly precipitation. Siachen, Baltoro and stable. Baltoro is stable. Okay, glacial lake outburst floods. Okay, this is an important environmental destruction event. Sudden release of water stored in glacial lake triggered by dam failure, moraine, ice or bedrock can release 10 to 100 million meter cube in hours, travel at 20 to 30 meter per second. Triggering mechanisms: moraine dam weakening due to piping and seepage, ice dam failing from calving or warm intrusion, earthquake triggered displacement, avalanches, landslide impact into lake, intense rainfall on snowmelt. Notable GLOFs in India, Himalaya: Kedarnath disaster 2013, 5,000 dead, glacial lake cloudburst. Samole flash flood 2021, Rishiganga Valley 200 plus dead. South Lohnak Lake, Sikkim, October 2023, outbreak set 45 dead. Tista dam destroyed. And Dikso, Nepal 1985, Khumbu Himal destroyed Namse Bazar road. Okay, climate change and Himalayan Cryosphere. Warming rate: Himalayan region warming at 0.6 degrees Celsius per decade, double the global average. Third pole warming 0.5 degrees Celsius decade since 1980. Elevation dependent warming EDW, higher altitudes warm faster. Glacial runoff paradox: short term increased meltwater runoff, peak water phase, long term peak water past, rivers will have reduced flow, 40% reduction projected by 2080 for Indus Basin. Ecosystem shifts: tree line advancing upward 200 to 500 meter upslope, shift alpine meadow sinkers, loss of habitat for snow leopard, red panda, rhododendron expanding. Okay, hazard amplification, globe frequency increasing 1.5x since 1990, landslides, floods, droughts amplified, debris flows from permafrost through 250 million people at risk in HKH region, Himalayan region. Okay, third pool, HKH stores largest freshwater reserve outside Himalayas Cryosphere, stores largest freshwater reserve outside pools, and it feeds 10 major rivers like Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, Mekong, Yangtze, Yellow, Irrawaddy, Salween, Tarim, and Amudarai. IPCC projections, okay, RCP 8.5 scenario, 64% of HK Himalayan glacier volume lost by 2100, that means 2100. RCP 2.6, 36 loss, 1.5 degree Celsius warming, 45% Himalayan glacier lost by century, and according to IPCC SR 1.5 2018 report. Okay, then interconnection between jet streams and Himalayan cryosphere, jet stream factor, mechanism, and effect on cryosphere and climate. STJ, winter western disturbance, snow accumulation in Himalayan region, replenish glaciers during winter, crucial research mechanism. Warming Arctic, weakening STJ, wavy, prolonged cold snaps, heat waves over India, disrupted monsoon timing, extreme events. Tibetan high pressure, easterly AEJ, standings as the southwestern monsoon, excess monsoon rain, more glacier ablation through warm, moist air. Glacial albedo loss, amplified warming, dark ice absorbs more solar radiation, faster melt, reinforces feedback loop. Somali LLJ, moisture transport, drives monsoon precipitation, snowfall above 5,000 meter, glacier accumulation. Permafrost after altered jet position, loss of snow, ice, cold troposphere, jet stream position shift, and changed precipitation patterns. Okay, these are some MCQ practice for UGC NET questions, NET examination. Okay, question number 1, the subtropical jet stream STJ lies at approximately which latitude during Indian summer monsoon? Correct answer is option number B. In summer, STJ, subtropical jet stream, shifts north of Himalayas 35 degree to 40 degree north hemisphere. Okay, allowing monsoon onset. Question number 2, the Karakoram anomaly refers to, correct answer is option number B. Karakoram glaciers show stability advance due to increased winter westerly precipitation. Question number 3, which jet stream is responsible for transporting western disturbances to northwest India in winter? Correct answer is option number C. Subtropical jet stream flows south of Himalayas in winter. Western disturbances travel along it to northwest India. Question number 4, peak water in the context of Himalayan glaciers means? Correct answer is option number B. Peak water, that means maximum meltwater discharge phase. Once glaciers sink, long-term river flow declines. Okay, quick revision. Jet streams, subtropical jet streams, 25 degree to 35 degree north, 10 to 16 kilometer altitude, key for monsoon. PFJ, 50 degree to 60 degree north, derives western disturbance. Somali, 850 H per A, drives southwest monsoon onset. AEZ, 14 degree north, African star lizard. Rossby waves, planetary waves causing mega meanders. High index zonal flow, low index meridional flow. STJ withdraws north of Himalayas, monsoon onset June 1. Tibetan high star lizard straddling southwest monsoon. Discovery Carl Gustav must be in 1939 during the World War II. Similarly, Himalayan cryosphere, 9,575 glaciers in Indian Himalaya, 37,000 km square total area. Siachen, longest 76 km, and Gangotri 30.2 km. Karakoram anomaly, glacier stable and advancing. ELA, equilibrium line altitude, boundary accumulation and ablation. Mass balance negative, retreat, and H Himalayan average 0.4 meter per year. GLOF, Samoli 2021, S Lohnak 2023, Kedarnath in 2013. Third pole, 10 major rivers originate from Himalayan cryosphere region. Himalayan cryosphere regions warms 0.6 degrees Celsius per decade, double global average. IPCC RCP 8.5, 64% glacial volume lost by 2100. That means 2100. Okay, glossary, jet streams, that means narrow fast moving air current in upper troposphere, lower troposphere, more than 120 km per hour. STJ, subtropical jet stream. PFJ, polar front jet. Rossby waves, large scale meanders of jet stream due to latitudinal Coriolis gradient. Cryosphere, all components of Earth system where water is in frozen from. ELA, equilibrium line altitude, mass balance, net change in glacier ice. Glacial lake outburst flat. Peak water, maximum meltwater runoff phase. Third pole is Himalayan Cryosphere region, largest freshwater stored outside pole, source of 10 major rivers. Karakoram anomaly, stable advancing glaciers in Karakoram unlike most retreating glaciers. Permafrost, ground frozen for at least 2 consecutive years. Western disturbance, extratropical cyclone from Mediterranean Sea. Tibetan high, upper level anticyclone over Tibet at 200 per hour per area. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt in query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.